Hello and welcome. In recent days, we have seen countless discussions about AI tools revolutionizing the way we work, create, and innovate. From startups to solo creators, everyone's talking about how AI can turn ideas into reality faster than ever before. But while the buzz is exciting, many product managers and tech leads still wonder, how do I actually use these tools to speed up my product development? In today's video, we're going to take a hands-on approach and dive into rapid prototyping using AI. Not just what it is, but why product managers and tech leads must learn it to thrive in this present modern AI era. Now let's be real. The old way of building products with endless meetings, mock-ups, and feedback loops just doesn't fit the speed of modern product development anymore. If you can take an idea and turn it into something tangible in a single session, you'll fall behind teams who can. This is the new core skill for anyone working in the software or product management. But before diving into how to do rapid prototyping, first, let's discuss about the core challenges that are for product managers and tech leads in the tech sector. What happens is that when a product manager gets an idea from the business team, for instance, we need a new learning management system for employees, the product manager has to go through a software development cycle that is usually too tiresome. The cycle begins with the provision of bringing in consultants, gathering requirements, sending them to designers for mock-ups, then waiting for iterations and feedback. Weeks go by and at the end, the product manager only has a static prototype. Only then do the stakeholders see it, and half the time they go, wait, that's not what we meant. Here's where AI completely changes the game. With today's generative AI tools, you don't need to wait weeks to visualize your data or idea. Rapid prototyping with generative AI transforms how you and your teams bring ideas to life. So, instead of spending weeks on mock-ups and meetings, you can turn product concepts into working prototypes in just hours. Align with stakeholders early, visualize ideas together, and iterate live in real time. Every change, every feedback instantly reflected. The result? Faster decisions, better alignment, and a product development cycle built for the AI era. Instead of spending weeks explaining ideas, you can go straight from I have an idea to here's what it looks like. And that's the real power of rapid prototyping with AI. Fast alignment, clear decisions, and instant visualization. Now, let's explore 3 AI-powered tools that supercharge rapid prototyping. First, Figma Make. It generates polished UI mockups from simple prompts and lets users experiment with styles. Next, Lovable. It turns static designs into fully interactive prototypes, letting stakeholders test real user journeys. Finally, Cursor AI. It transforms designs into walking front-end code, automates repetitive tasks, and speeds up MVP development. For this demo, we are using Figma Make because it's the fastest way to turn an idea into a visual prototype right during a client conversation. A demo. Open your browser and go to figma.com/make. This is the home screen. You can log in using your Google account. Once inside, you'll see a chat box in the middle. On the left, there are options to attach an existing Figma design or upload screenshots and rough sketches. You can also choose a design library, either your company's components or public assets available in Figma. Now, let's enter our prompt, but before that, let's go to careerlink.ai to explore rapid prototyping related prompts that are pre-curated for our needs. Once you go to the home page, head to the login button. After you log in using your email, you are then redirected to the Career GPS homepage. At the left side, you can see a Resources tab, inside of which you can clearly view the prompt library. Just click on it and you are directed to the prompt library page where you can filter various prompt books according to your role. All the links are provided in the description as well. Okay, once you are in the prompt library page, scroll down below and select the Rapid Prototyping prompt book. There are various prompt styles you can use, but for now, just select one prompt style and just copy the prompt directly from the prompt book. After copying, just paste it in the Figma Make. But before pasting, let's tweak it a little bit according to our needs and then only paste it there. We will paste it there to create a learning management system for employees just by using a prompt, and that was one of the examples that we discussed earlier. After you enter the prompt, Figma Make starts generating the design. In just few seconds, you'll see a complete dashboard appear with course cards and even a quiz section. You can scroll up and down, clear on several functionalities, and test it out. It may not be fully functional at first, but with a little bit of changes and debugging, we can certainly make it perfect. So you can click on various tabs that have been created, and you can also press on various buttons. You can scroll between the tabs and buttons. Okay, for now, let's try to make it more adaptable and unique learning management system. Let's add a new page, and for that, let's add an extra prompt just by ourselves. I just entered the new prompt and Figma instantly generates the new screen and even provides the code behind it. It provided us the answer on how it generated the screen. You can look at the new screen that it just created, and that's the Analytics tab. And look, it's amazing. You can also click on the play button at the top and view how it would look in a full screen web view. This Figma created product might not be visually pleasing to our eyes, but it might not fulfill our necessity as well. But even for MVP version, this looks really amazing. Furthermore, you can also switch to mobile preview to see how the design looks on smaller screens as well. So no need to worry about the cross-platform flexibility as well. You can also look at the components using the code button that lets you analyze the entire lines of code written in TypeScript utilizing CSS that has been written to create this. And here's a feature that is really interesting and you must surely check it out, the point and the edit tool. This tool lets you edit and style the individual bits and parts of this product without even knowing how to code, just by basic clicks and prompt typing. For example, here I'm trying to change the background color of the search bar button to make the colors a bit more balanced. You can also simply change it by typing a prompt after you click on the individual component. For example, I wish to make the search bar shorter while removing the name and title text next to the profile icon. I just write the prompt and just hit enter. And as you can see, the design is updated live, and right in front of you, you can see the new design. In this manner, with just one short session, you have created and edited and previewed as well a working prototype of a learning management system, all inside Figma Make. If you want to make it configurable, you could use Lovable as well, and also if you are really good at coding and want more flexibility, you could try Cursor as well. The link to their respective websites are in the description. But for now, you can simply try out other prompts from our prompt library to get going. Today we explored a specific use case related to product managers and tech leads only. But in careerlink.ai, you can find similar other use cases and also enroll in expert-led circles to learn more about effective prompting while solving a real-world problem. Make sure to sign up today at careerlink.ai to uplift your AI skill sets. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you. And that's all for today. See you in the next video where we shall be continuing about the rapid prototype, but using different tools like Lovable and Cursor. Thank you so much.